It's morning, breakfast time with Dawn. I'm going to make corned beef hash. It's one of the favorites around here. I'm using leftover corned beef. I'm going to be using simply potatoes. These things are not frozen. You can get them at your local grocery store. Good stuff. And I'm going to use some hatch chilies that I roasted and froze last August. So these are going to be really great with it. I've got some leftover onions that are pretty thinly sliced that I used yesterday for smash burgers. So all this is going to come together. And of course, I've got a bag of corned beef that I cooked yesterday, and we had delicious corned beef sandwiches. This is going to make one heck of a breakfast. I'm going to serve it with a fried eggs. So hope you join me. The potatoes take the longest. So I'm going to get those started in my cast iron pan. Myself a good squeeze of neutral oil. This is a avocado oil. I use that because it's got a high smoke point. So this can get up to 400, 450. Plenty temperature to brown those hash browns without the oil burning and ruining my dish. I'm cooking for 3 today. And so I'm not going to use this whole bag of potatoes. I'm going to use about half. I'm going to use just a little bit of seasoned salt with these. I'm not trying to color them or anything with the seasoned salt, just to give it a little bit of flavor there. I'm going to grab some garlic, about a half onion for this. I know that looks like a lot more, but I got a lot of air in there from all the super thin onions. They're already sliced really thin, so I don't have to do a whole lot to these. I just don't want long stringy onions. So just a couple of chops like that, and they are finely diced. That's my hatch chilies that I'm going to use. I'm going to use a couple of tablespoons of the hatch chilies. I'm going to just put them right here. Ooh, those are smoked. Right on top of my onions and garlic. A couple of tablespoons of butter to cook my onions and peppers and garlic. This is also going to flavor the potatoes, so don't be shy here. Then once I clear my space off here, I will introduce the corned beef. Then we'll let that go, and I'm going to break out the corned beef. This is a 3-pound, or was a 3-pound roast that we did yesterday. Made sandwiches with it. I am going to cut, the grain is going this way, so I'm going to give it a chop this way so that it's going to fall apart. We'll use about half of this. That'll be for snacks. Now this isn't the mushy stuff like you get out of the can. You know, this was a brisket 2 days ago. It was corned, but it was still brisket. I'll give myself just a little bit of oil right here in the middle for my corned beef. I want to get that nice, and it's already cooked, but I want to maybe add a little more color to it. Let that just cook a little bit. Get a pan out for my eggs. Okay, we're about to make a couple of fried eggs. I like mine over easy, so I'm going to give these a little flip. Ready? Whoop. Won't take long here. I'm going to up myself some corned beef hash. All right, let's see how this is. That egg, perfect. Nice and gooey. Homemade corned beef hash, fried egg. The silkiness of the egg, the hatch chili, got a little smokiness. The flavors melt in the mouth from the beef. Good stuff. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Give me a follow. Leave a comment. Thank you.